Is your Bluetooth constantly disconnecting in your Xiaomi phone? Don't worry, this issue can easily be fixed. It's likely a problem with your Bluetooth settings, and I'll show you some troubleshooting steps to resolve it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear your Bluetooth data. If it's a Bluetooth specific glitch, you can clear its data to fix it. To do this, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, and tap on it. Select Manage Apps, now search Bluetooth. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, tap Force Stop and confirm the action. This will close Bluetooth in the background. After that, tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache and confirm the action. Once that's done, tap Clear All Data and confirm your choice. This will delete all your Bluetooth data and hopefully fix any related glitches. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Reset Bluetooth settings. Resetting the settings usually fixes problems like these. Open the Settings app, go to your phone settings, then tap on More Connectivity options. Scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap on Reset Settings and confirm your action. This will not delete your phone data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password, your mobile data settings, and Bluetooth connections. So after this is done, your Bluetooth problem will be fixed. But if the problem persists, there might be a hardware issue with your Bluetooth device. To confirm this, open your phone settings, tap About Phone, scroll down, and tap Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down again, and tap on Kernel version a few times. Usually tapping 5 to 6 times is enough. After that, you will enter CIT or Hardware Test Mode. In here, find Bluetooth and tap on it. Now a hardware test will start, and it will tell you if there is any issue with your Bluetooth. Once you're done here, go back and select Bluetooth Scan this time. Check if Bluetooth Scan is fine or not. If you see hardware issues with one of them or both of these features, you will need to take your phone to the nearest Xiaomi support center for help. They will help you fix the issue. Those are the fixes you can try if Bluetooth keeps disconnecting or stopping on your Xiaomi phone. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.